Hey, this is our R82 Manatee, which is a really nice shower and bath chair. It's easily adjustable just using these different knobs here, or using the pull down lever to change the height, angle and the angle of the backrest and legs. We can add different accessories to provide different postural support at the head, or add an extra one around the trunk. What I really like about this Manatee is the really nice soft material, the wedge material, which is great for drainage but also to hammock your child for more comfort. We also have the mobile shower base, which makes it easy to move around the bathroom environment and also puts the chair at a nice height for carers.